In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Robinhood Legend on your PC for charting and advanced trading. If you're interested in more powerful tools than what the typical Robinhood app offers, or you've wondered how to make the most of this new platform, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening Robinhood on your PC. Once you've navigated to the website, just log into your account as you normally would. After you're logged in, look at the top menu or keep an eye on the main app banner. You'll see an option labeled Legend. Go ahead and click Legend. The first time you do this, the platform may need a few moments to load everything, especially if it's your first time accessing these advanced features. Now that you've entered Robinhood Legend, the next thing you'll want to do is search for the asset you're interested in, whether it's a stock, a cryptocurrency, an ETF, or even a futures contract. At the top of the screen, you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type the name or ticker symbol of what you want to look at. As you start typing, Robinhood will automatically show you matched results. Just pick the one you're looking for from the drop-down list. Once you've selected your asset, you'll be taken straight to its chart. This is one of the highlights of Robinhood Legend: interactive, detailed charts. You can easily adjust the time frame, whether you want to see action over minutes, days, weeks, or months, by clicking on the time frame buttons above the chart. And if you use technical analysis, you'll appreciate the chart icons that let you add indicators like moving averages, volume, or RSI. These can help you spot trends and signals as you plan your trades. For those wanting even more detail, you can open the ladder. The ladder gives you a real-time look at the bid and ask levels, which is really useful for understanding where trading activity is concentrated. Here, you can make your moves right from the ladder itself. Just click buy or sell at the price point you want. Or if you prefer more control, you can always place limit or stop orders directly from this view. Remember, you're not locked into your first chart setup. At any time, you can customize the chart layout or add new indicators just by clicking the chart options icons. This flexibility means your workspace can grow with your strategies. Now, for a quick review, Robinhood Legend is a significant upgrade when compared to the basic Robinhood platform. It now offers many of the charting and order execution tools that active traders have come to expect, while still keeping fees low. For swing traders, those using chart-based approaches, and folks trading at medium volume, Robinhood Legend really could be good enough for your needs. That's a walkthrough of Robinhood Legend on PC. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your trading experience. Thanks for watching and happy trading.